Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at lists. Okay, so lists are very commonly used in Python and they have a similar concept as arrays in C. Alright, but the main difference is in C, when you declare an array, the data type is consistent for all the elements. So if I declare an integer and array, all the elements are integers and so on. Alright, whereas in list, you can mix them up. Alright, so in a list, you can have a mix of integers, floats, complex numbers, strings, and so on. Okay, they are all ordered and indexable. All right, so let's look at an example here on how to create and use lists. All right, so for example, list 1. Okay, so to create a list, you put them within a square bracket. All right, so for example, I can say 1, 2, okay, 3, 4.0. Okay, something like this. Okay, and 5. Alright, and then I'll have list 2. Alright, equals to 6 and then 7.0. Alright, so if I were to print list 1, alright, print list 1 and print list 2. Okay, so you get the list as it is. All right. Again, like I said, they are indexed. All right. So if I, for example, if I say print list 2. All right. Sorry. Print list 1, 2. All right. So under list 1, the element 2, okay, is 0, 1, 2, which is number 3. Alright, so the indexing is starting from 0. So when I say an index of 2, this is index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2. So I'm printing index 2, which is element or the item is a numerical value of 3. Alright, now you can also combine lists together. So I can say new list equals to list 1 plus list 2. Okay, and I can print new list. Okay, so it has combined list 1 and list 2 together. Alright, or I can also say list 2, for example, times 2. So I'm taking one copy of list 1, adding with 2 copies of list 2. Okay, so you can see that list 2 is appended 6, 7.0 and 6, 7.0 2 times. Alright, and again, as before, you can always access a subset of the list. Alright, so for example, I can say print new list from element 1 to less than 5. Okay, so this will be element 1, element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4. Okay, so 1 to 1 less than 5. So this is the subset of the new list. Okay, so I hope this gives you an idea of how to create lists. Again, it's a similar concept to arrays, except that in Python you are allowed to mix and match different data types into one list. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.